What is up guys, it's me Mike here, and today I'm going to show you the PC build which is capable of running CSGO, Minecraft, and League of Legends. This build is not only for the basic gamers but also for professionals. It might not feature the latest and greatest parts from any company, but it can surely produce good results. Starting with the CPU itself, we have an i3-6100 with 2 cores and 4 threads with the base frequency of 3.7 GHz. It might not be as fast as an i5 processor, but it can still make games playable at decent frame rates. And for the motherboard, I have an Asus H170M-ED3. This motherboard features 4 USB 3 ports at the back I/O and 2 USB 2.0 ports. And it also have an M.2 socket which supports SATA and PCIe storage, and also has 4 DDR3 slots. As for the RAM, I have a stick of 1866 DDR3 KINGSTON HYPERX memory. I went with a single 4GB DDR3 memory, which is very cheap to find, and I can upgrade in the future if I have a budget to spend on. For the GPU of this PC build, I went with my old GAINWARD GeForce GT430. With 1GB of DDR3 RAM is simply enough for me for the latest games, which might not be AAA, but the performance of the GPU might not be as great as the other latest GPU like the 10 series, but it can save you a lot of money if you have old hardware lying around. For the storage, I went with a single 1TB SEAGATE hard drive, and I ripped apart a 130GB hard drive from my desktop CPU back then. And the case I bought comes with a generic power supply which costs only $20. And here are the benchmarks for this PC build. Thank you guys for watching, and also don't forget to watch my other videos and like this video and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.